二一，开始。
Hello guys, this is Alan again. Today I'm at DXTECH, our company's factory, to introduce you our new design single table FL series metal plate laser cutting machine. And this is entry level with our new design from the mechanical engineer. I will start from right here. Okay. First of all, what in front of you is a 21.5-inch screen for the interface of the control system and software. The keyboard and mouse will be placed over here. Okay, and this is a 1.5 by 3 meter cutting area, which is equivalent to 5 feet by 10 feet. And this is a feeding ball, which is assistant for loading the metal plates like carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum with different thickness. And this is a blade table for supporting the metal sheets to be cut. Okay, this is a cross beam like a gantry. Okay, aluminum aviation aluminum gantry cross beam. This is the autofox laser cutting head, which is retools from Switzerland. It's a standard equipped for this series of laser cutting machine, which we use for most of the time. And this is the cable for the laser generator, like Max or Recus laser source. This is a water flow, and also there will be gas flow on the other side. And there's a motor inside over here to control the focal position. We cut in different materials, and the ceramic ring and the cutting nozzle underneath as the spare parts or the consumables. This is the amplifier, okay, and this is the cutting machine controlled by the servo motor and the system. So the motor and the reducer will be inside. For this one, I think the Innovance servo motor together with the motor valve reducer. And this is the dust cover for protecting the guide rails and the helical records underneath from the pollution of the gas or dust or other contamination or pollution. And during the cutting process, we will generate some smoking. So there's an exhaust fan connected the motion body all the way over here to exhaust the smoking outside. Later on I will show you. This is the nitrogen tank for cutting stainless steel and aluminum mostly. But it's too expensive. That's why for long time use, most of the cars use air compressor instead of nitrogen consumption. This is the oxygen tank, or oxygen cylinder. Most of the time it's for cutting carbon steel or mild steel. Okay. And this is the industrial water chiller for cooling the laser cutting head and the laser source at the same time. So it's a double temperature, double cooling function. This machine is integrated. Okay, so it's very easy to ship and fix. So the laser source is integrated over here. Please take a look. And also this is the auto lubrication port where they put some hydraulic oil to or automatically lubricate the guide rail and records for moving in different axes. This is a gas alarm system. Normally you fix the pressure like 1.6 ampere or 1.2 ampere in advance. When the pressure for cutting is lower, it will generate an alarm automatically to the control software over there. Okay. And this is the cable tree, where all the cable and pipes of the laser source, water chiller, water flow, and other things, the gas inside. And this is a flexible cable tree, which is moving around together with the cross beam and the cutting head when it's doing the cutting tool. And normally for delivery, this length is around 4.something meters long. Normally we ship with a 20-feet container together with the air compressor and the voltage stabilizer or transformer for different rating customs, together with some external equipment like the water chiller and all things. Also, in terms of the spare parts, it's mainly the cutting nozzles and the protective lines. Normally for half month, 2 weeks, you need to change one piece of the cutting nozzle and the protective lens of the laser cutting head. So we always advise our customer to buy 2 or 3 years of spare parts before delivery. That's also my personal advice and experience from my previous experience with the engineer cutting in their workshop. And let me think if there are more things to be said for you, our customer. I think after you receive the machine, because it's a machine delivered as a complete one, so you just install the control system and the arm screen. Put the mouse, the keyboard over here, and you connect the electricity power cord and neutral line, and also connect the signal wires for the water chiller, and also you buy the oxygen tank for cutting carbon steel, and you need to connect the air compressor for cutting stainless steel and aluminum most of the time. And you need to put some distilled water, which we recommend for like several liters for the water chiller. And you can start the testing, cutting of the machine. Also need to put some like 3 or 5 liters normally. Hydraulic oil inside the oil depot. And these hoses are where to connect the pipes for the water flow, inlet and outlet. And this hole, when you connect the pipe for nitrogen or air compressor, this wheel is the hole where you connect. This is the hole for oxygen pipes connection. And basically, these are the main things for this entry-level new design, the single table FL series laser cutting machine with 1.5 meter by 3 meter cutting area. So, if you have any questions, you can always come back to me and Elisa and our engineer and technician. We have a 10,000 square meters workshop around. Let me show you around a little bit. And this factory mainly producing laser cutting machine for metal plates and tool. This region are mainly for single table metal plate cutting. Those areas are for some higher power, relatively speaking, particularly for some custom from the European countries or North American countries with exchange table and protective cover. And some are for metal pipe and profile and channels and beams. And in those regions are some CO2 laser and laser marking machine for engraving and cutting acrylics, plywood, MDF, etc. Also for the bending, press brake bending the metal plates, like steel and aluminum plates. On the second floor will be our production department and purchase department and our office of our mechanical engineer. And in the first floor are the finance department and the human resource department and some conference room for our custom and our management. So basically, these are the things I want to tell today. And we are always ready to service our cars in the first place. We'll keep in touch. Thanks sincerely. Bye bye.